In today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 advanced English adjectives that will instantly make your speaking and writing sound more natural, confident, and fluent. If you want to sound more like an advanced English speaker, this video is for you. So let's get started. Meticulous. Meticulous means very careful and precise, paying attention to every small detail. For example, she is meticulous about her work and never makes careless mistakes. Versatile. Versatile means able to do many different things or be used in many ways. For example, this actor is extremely versatile and can play both serious and comic roles. Resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties or challenges. For example, children can be surprisingly resilient after stressful experiences. Compelling. Compelling means very interesting or convincing, makes you want to pay attention. For example, she gave a compelling speech that moved the entire audience. Ambiguous. Ambiguous means having more than one possible meaning, not clear. For example, his answer was ambiguous, so I wasn't sure what he really meant. Impeccable. Impeccable means perfect, without any mistakes or faults. For example, her manners were impeccable during the formal dinner. Superficial. Superficial means only on the surface, not deep or serious. For example, he has a superficial understanding of the problem. Astute. Astute means very smart and quick at understanding situations. For example, she made an astute decision by investing early. Eloquent. Eloquent means able to express ideas clearly and beautifully in speech or writing. For example, the professor gave an eloquent explanation of a complex topic. Inherent. Inherent means existing as a natural and permanent part of something. For example, risk is inherent in any business venture,